Want to learn ethical hacking but worried about breaking the law? I understand your concerns, and today I'll show you 3 completely legal platforms where you can practice hacking skills without fear. As someone who's built a career in cybersecurity using these, I can vouch for their effectiveness. First up, TryHackMe, ideal for absolute beginners. Here you'll find gamified learning experiences marked by points and badges. There's even a free tier available, allowing you to explore step-by-step tutorials. Perfect if you've never hacked anything before. Next, dive into Hack the Box. Known for offering more challenging and realistic scenarios, it's what many cybersecurity professionals trust and use. With academy courses and practical machines, it emphasizes career-focused learning paths. This is what real penetration testers use. Finally, VulnHub offers free downloadable vulnerable systems. Practice offline on your home computer with a wide range of difficulty levels. Engage in community-created challenges and start building your home lab setup. To get started, open a free account on TryHackMe and complete 3 beginner rooms this week. Once you're comfortable, progress to Hack the Box. Comment below which platform you're starting with. To recap, these are 3 legal ways to embark on your ethical hacking journey today. Pick one platform and dive in this week. Remember to subscribe for quick cybersecurity tips and like this video if it helped you. In the next video, we'll guide you through setting up your first home lab.